a really long road, months and months and months. But this beautiful Westie behind me is getting picked up today, and it's heading out to Michigan, California to Michigan. It's a late bay window. The customer wanted a late bay window because of the option of the full bed on top and the pull out, of course, in the back. They wanted this awesome ass color right here, a mint green, seafoam green, not really quite sure, with this slightly off white. And I'll open the door with that badass Westie plaid interior. It's so effing sweet. It's what I would call a mid build to keep their budget moderate for them. The motor is not rebuilt, just inspected, serviced, checking compression, making sure it's a healthy motor, brand new carburetors, new battery, new distributor, new fuel pump. We put some new rear axles on it. A lot of things that were involved to actually make it a nice running vehicle, but not the rebuild. So it kept the price down, but we still did all the paint and body work, all the window seals. You can see right here, even the pop-top tent, those seals are replaced, as well as the tent, the interior like you just saw, tires, a ton of stuff. And it's finally done. It's finally getting picked up. I may not be here for the pickup. I've got to go get my kids at school, but Ryan, my business partner, will be here, and he'll get some video for you guys and share it, and bon voyage. So that's it. I'll do a walk around and show you guys. It's a 1976 Poptop Westie. Customer wanted the bigger emblem as well. We took care of that and did it. So you can see all the window seals are replaced. The tires are new. The side trim, the headlight rings, turn signal lenses, antenna, side view mirrors, rubber seals on the jalosies, the top tent seals, even the gas cap covered up and brand new, rear tail light lenses. It's currently registered in California, clean title, which means that once it gets to Michigan, you could drive it for a little while before it's time to get it all registered under your name. Engine bay is also painted, new battery. Those are the carburetors I was telling you about. Brand new carburetors, new distributor, new fuel pump, new plugs and plug wires, full tune-up. It's purring like a little kitten, and it is ready to go. I believe the rear bumper too is also new. That thing looks nice. So even though it's a lower end, kind of a build, we still don't just let it go out, looking trashy. Brand new door handles in the front. We really do take care of a lot of things, and sometimes we eat it a little bit on the cost for us, but again, we can't let it go out, looking like poo-poo. So we even replaced these. Why did we replace those? Well, because when we bought it, these weren't even on it. It was stripped out, so we had to buy that. Door panels, brand new, nice and clean. Rubber steppers, rubber floor mat, front kick panels. Again, the front seats looking gorgeous. And then let's creep to the back here. This one has the propane stove and sink, not tested, so we don't know if it works, but typically the propane does. You just add propane to it. Pretty simple, you can't really go wrong there. Has the table, the rear pull-out bed, as you can see there, and on the top you can kind of see one of the cushions, and you can see the brand new tent kind of peeking out there. So this is exactly what the customer wanted. They wanted a late Poptop Westie with all the camping gear in good condition, since they were not going to be able to re-laminate anything, so we had to hunt down the perfect bus, and we did. This one was perfect. It had all the camping interior and in great condition, and all it needed really was some mechanical love, the interior love as far as like the cushions go, and of course the exterior body needed love. We replaced this corner panel and the battery tray, and we did some rust repair on the sides, common areas. That's all taken care of, and it is done. So check it out. It's got the original camping gear in really nice condition, really nice. So it's heading out. I know they're gonna love it. I would. It may take longer sometimes than I anticipate, but we always finish. And there you go. Gorgeous. If you guys are in Michigan, anyone out in Michigan, keep an eye out for this bad boy. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. California bus. Always been a California bus. Very, very minimal rust. This thing was just perfect when we bought it. It took a while to find it. I think it took us, 3 or 4 months to find this beauty, but it was perfect when we found it. Like I said, late bay window, Poptop Westy, camper, and the camping interior was in great condition and all complete. Everything's there. The table's there. It's all there. It's all complete. And it wasn't loaded with rust or body damage. So for me, that was like the thumbs up. Oh, and then the cherry on top was it did have a motor in it, not running, but the previous owner did say it was running. It is a good motor. It just needs some love. So it checked all the boxes, and we bought it and started working on it. And now she's done. So that's that, my guys. I always tell people, if you're looking for a bus and maybe you think you don't have the budget, well, reach out, because maybe you do. Again, if you knew what they paid for this, you would be shocked. I would tell you this, what they paid, right now it's worth more. So this could sell for more than what they paid for the build. I'm sure of it. But like I said, I'm sure we most likely broke even, and it's all good. It's all good. When we make deals, we keep our word. It may take us a little longer to finish than we anticipate. A lot of things can happen with these classic VW buses. One thing goes wrong on one of them, and it's like a snowball effect that affects the whole lineup. And we've got right now close to 25 buses in rotation. So it only takes one to give us a little bit of issue, and then we find ourselves in a little bit of a jam. But we're getting better at it. And yeah, so take care, guys. Oh, so beautiful.